Hi guys, I am back with a gel polish mani. So the colors I'm going to be using are Dare to Shine and Sparkles from Nail Addict LA. So you guys already know I love me some Nail Addict gel polishes. So you might think this is holiday themed, and actually it was like New Year's Eve, but I just didn't have enough time. And after I uploaded it, it kind of reminded me of like a winter snow type thing. So anyway, so guys, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. Now I will say with the silver color, I was kind of moving those little glitter pieces around the nail, trying to get that coated real good, but it turned out better with the second application, and you'll see that coming up. But this color, I love this. This is a nice type of silky white to me. It's almost like a gray, but I know it's white, but it's kind of silky looking to me, or really creamy or satiny, however you want to say it. But so I'm just going in and applying those gel polishes, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds, and then I'll go in with the second coat and then cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So guys, I have some new Waterslide decals. I think it's Ooh Coco. I don't know if it's Ooh Coco or Ooh Coco. I think it's Ooh Coco. But you guys know I like my Poshy and my Nail Drip Custom Water decals. So I decided to purchase these Waterslide decals for your nail. And we have the instructions here. Prep your nail, clean them with alcohol, soak your decal or whatever, and place it on lint-free white. So for my base, this go around I use gel polish. So normally I would do dip powder and do my Maniology sticky base coat, but since I'm using gel polish, I applied my gel polish, cured, and then I'm going to cut my decals out and soak those in water. So with these decals, they're a little bit different. These that I have, I think I'm using New Year's Eve Glam Style decals. They're larger, and they're printed on blue paper because they have a white backing. So decals with a white backing, you can place them over any nail color. It doesn't have to be white. It's just I kept it white because I wanted to incorporate white in my nails this go round. So I cut them out close to the decal as possible, soak them in water. Usually I will spray them with water, but I soak these, and I found that the best way to apply my decals for me is via a nail stamper. So that's why I'm picking up the decal, and placing it on my nail. And again, I don't know if I mentioned before, these decals can be tricky to work with because they are thicker. So like my nail drip and my Pashi decals, they're a little bit thinner. These are some thick decals. Did it make it bulky on my nail? No, it did not. So at first I was like, I don't know about these, I don't know about them. But then after I got the hang of it, I was like, oh, I like these decals. So the tacky layer or inhibition layer of my gel polish color wasn't enough, so I removed the decals and I'm applying Nail Addict's base coat, and I cured for 30 seconds, and I'm going back in and placing those decals. So I place them with my tweezers and I'm just trying to smooth these decals out. It's hard to rip these because they are thicker, so I'm placing those and then I'm going to tug and smooth them out as much as possible. And then I will go in with my nail brush and acetone and kind of dab those. But before I do that, I'll go in with my orange wood stick and try to seal the cuticle area and the edges of my nail before I go in with acetone and remove that excess decal that's hanging on my skin and over the free edge and side walls of my nail. So as I mentioned, these are a little bit thicker, so I'm just kind of dabbing as much as possible, just taking my time even though the video is sped up, just to try to remove that excess decal. And it takes a minute because they are thicker decals. So once I remove the excess decal, I try to smooth out the wrinkles as best as possible. But I don't know if you caught on the instruction sheet, they said don't worry about, you know, trying to get all of the wrinkles out, because once I remove the excess decal, I'm going to go in and apply more base coat, another layer of base coat, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to apply top coat and cure for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and do some buffing of the nails with the nail decal. So again, I applied my base and top coat off camera, and I'm going in with my buffing block, and I got this from Double Dip. I like their buffing blocks because they're a little bit larger than the smaller ones. Sometimes the smaller ones can be harder to grip, in my opinion, especially if you have nails. It can be a little bare to grip. So I'm going in and doing that, and I'm buffing. Again, are my nails thick? No. Again, I have on Builder Gel as a base. I always keep Builder Gel on my nails and have for the past year and some change. And so I'm just buffing that, the base and top coat. And guys, after I do that, I'm going to remove the filing dust with a brush, and then I'll go in with alcohol, wipe the nail, and then I'll go in and apply another layer of base and top. I can't remember if I did base and top coat or just top coat. Now y'all know I had to be extra. I don't even know why you would think anything less at this point. But I'm going in with my Daily Charm jewelry gel in a tube, and I'm placing that on my middle finger. I can't just leave that bad boy plain. And I have this large rhinestone that I got off Amazon. I'll try to see if I can link those. But that's all I'm going to add. I'm just going to place that on there. I thought the stone itself blended in with the nail decals. And once I get that placed to my liking with my Cricut fingernails, y'all know they like to curve left or right. I cured for 60 seconds and bam, here we go. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. Do you like it? What do you think about the decals? Have you used these decals? So as usual, let me know in the comments. So guys, you want to finish up with your favorite cuticle oil. This is Cuticle Candy Skincare Peppermint Mocha. Hate it, by the way. I don't like the scent. Just me. I normally like their scents, but this one I do not. Something about peppermint and chocolate is not my thing to eat. A lot of people like it, but not me. But anyway, so I'm just going to apply that, rub that in. So guys, please like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. We're going to have a wonderful 2022. You guys have a good week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.